Hello everyone, this is the last video dedicated to operators, I promise. This one will be quick too because we are talking about assignment operators, and we already know the most basic assignment operator, the equal sign. The other assignment operators are pretty straightforward. Basically take every operator I've already covered and add an equal sign on the end of them. These operators are a shorthand way to performing a calculation on a variable and immediately storing the result back into that same variable. So let's take a moment to just look over the assignment operators real quick. We already know the basic operators, so we don't have to really go into detail on how they work, but I'll take a moment to show you the assignment operator counterparts. So let's start with the arithmetic operators. For this example, I've created a variable x equals 2 and then down below x equals 5 for both sets of examples. And as you can see, as I stated before, the assignment operators are basically just each operator with an equal sign attached to the end of it. And next to them, I have a comment that shows its expanded form. So if I hit the run button, and we do x plus equals 2, then it will result in 4. X minus equals 2, it will bring it back down to 2. X times equals 3, it will bring it to 6. And then x divides equals by 3, we get 2.0 because divide always returns a float. And then we change x to 5, x floor divides equals 2. That will give us just 2. X exponentiation equals 2. That will give us 4. And then x modulo 3, that will give us 1. And here we have bitwise operators. If you notice that the only one missing here is 2's complement. This is because 2's complement only takes one operand to begin with, so you can't really make an assignment operator with that since it already takes only one. But we have the rest here. We have bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, left shift, and right shift, and they all work the same way as if you've written them out in the expanded form. So if I hit run, and we get the results down here, and that's pretty much it for assignment operators. See? Quick and easy, just like I promised. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, then please hit the like button and leave a comment below to let me know what you think. If you want to see more, head on over to Wayfair Coding Academy channel to check out my other content. And while you're there, subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on new stuff as it comes out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.